Hello, Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I am thrilled to tell you I am back on the beautiful Disney Dream. And we have just embarked the ship today. And one of the procedures that you'll need to do is the mandatory emergency drill. We all know used to you had to come and line up and the horns went off, yada yada. Well, it's changed a little bit and I wanted to show you exactly what you need to do. So your Disney Cruise Line app is your best friend. So this is telling me that I need to go to Assembly Station G. So my husband and I are out on deck 4. We're at Assembly Station G and we're about to head this way. So let's go. G is right here. And all you have to do now is take a photo. So let's do that. We've had a leisurely embarkation. We've been in the concierge lounge. We've had a few drinks. And now at your leisure, we're going to be going to Assembly Station G. All right. Begin now. Continue. Confirm your party. Check in. And I'm going to scan the sign. It says checking you in, scan completed, and guess what? Right here it says check in complete. So we have finished our muster drill, we're good to go, and now we're gonna go see Beauty and the Beast and have dinner. So easy peasy. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my pleasure to serve your family. Talk to you soon. Have a magical day.